Hi, welcome. Marta Wale here with pascalfruderhomes.com, powered by MVP Realty. I'm here in front of my listing at 6081 Triumph Lane, having an open house right now. So let me show you around. It's a beautiful home. Let me first show you the area. This is in Webb. This is Triumph Lane where you come in. And if you just go to the right, the clubhouse in Webb is kind of right behind here, like basically right behind this berm. It's really close. So let's see it. This is a beautiful home, 2,000 square feet, a little bit over 2026. Has 2 bedrooms plus den and a sunroom here, screened in front porch. So let me show you. So as you come in, you have the laundry room over here, and that's also where you go to the garage. You have here the guest bathroom. And then right here, the guest bedroom. And here with a fan, honeycomb blinds everywhere. So here's the entrance door. You have quite a large laundry room here. The AC is behind this door. Let me show you the garage. It's a 2-car garage with room for a golf cart over here and also a sink. So you see there's a lot of space. It's a tandem garage over here. Lots and lots of space here. So it's almost like a 3-car garage. Then over here, so to the right is the entrance door. This is here the flex room. It can be used like an office, like here. It has a fan. You can use it as a gym and exercise room. Really nice. So you can stay a while. There's luxury vinyl plank here. And then this is here the living space. Really nice, very large. In the back you see the sunroom. This is an added upgrade. There's the dining space, and then here the kitchen. Really pretty with a walk-in pantry, large island, beautiful pendants. Really nice. And then we leave the sunroom for last because it's so beautiful. This is the master bedroom, also really nice and spacious. There's a tray ceiling over here, again a fan. Gorgeous view over here, lake view, really pretty. And then over here is the master bathroom with a shower, dual sink, and a walk-in closet straight ahead. So let me show you now the sunroom. A really large space. Let me just show you the space also from here. Really nice. And then this here is the sunroom. So it's a really great place to just relax, sit down with your friends. Really inviting. And then also over here, you have the lanai screened in. With a beautiful view. Really nice. And then here you also see the house has accordion shutters, which are really awesome. It's really simple to prepare these for the storm. You don't have to fight with metal shutters, you just push them together. So let me know what you think about the house. So please give me a call if you have any questions about this house or any other ones. My phone number is 239-232-5563. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.